So my London pot I made avail. Easy thing to do for lunch. I'm going to do the salad nicoise, which would be green beans, new potatoes, eggs, marinated some shallots in white wine, vinegar, olive oil and some garlicky salt. And obviously the tuna as well. So first of all I put some new potatoes on the plate, crush them a little, and put a little bit of olive oil, a little bit of the garlicky salt, and put some of the beans. Mix the marinated onions in with the tuna and put some of that on top. A little bit of olive oil and then the egg. So you put the egg on, pepper, and there you go.